Hi guys, it's Charlene, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a video of someone that would like to see a hair look of me. So I did a hair look on myself a couple of weeks back, and basically I put it on my Instagram, and basically it was a half up, half down curly. So I'm going to show you how to do that because someone's asked me how they get that. So what you need is you need a curling tong. You can have a round one. This is just a chopstick, the Stafford chopstick one. This is all it is. It's kind of flat, kind of thin and flat, but you can use one that has a smaller but round barrel. They're just called like chopstick, they're called. So basically you need a hairband. Any hairband will do it. It's very important that you do use a hairband. I've always sprayed my hair with heat protectant, so I use the Mark Hill Styling Heat Protection, and this is all it comes into, so I use that. So what I'm going to do is just section off my hair as you do. So I'm going to do the bottom bit first. So what I do is just section off my hair. Make sure you get a hairbrush to section it off it properly. Section it properly. Yeah, just properly section it. And put it all the way to the top and just tie it. And then just leave it like that. So now what you're going to do is, I've already put in heat spray, I've told you, is you're going to curl this basically. So basically what you're going to do, I'm going to start off right from the back and then curl it. You can take it in sections. So the thinner the section you take, the tighter the curl, and the thicker section you take, the bigger the curl. What I'm basically going to do is take it from the back. So what I'm going to do is just split my hair down the middle at the back. And I'm going to go from the back first and then work my way around. I can't start from this thing and work my way around because I don't know why, it just doesn't work with me. So what I'm going to do is take a section and just roll it. And basically you just keep it on there for about 5 to 10 seconds, depending how thickly you want. And you just roll it and it goes into a little curl. So next I'm going to take another section. I'm just going to take just a section thinner than that, just about that thin, and curl it. Oh my god, no good. Ow, 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 ow. Just, let's try that again. Curl it. I hold it anyway. I will point it holding down, I point it holding sideways. Doesn't matter to me. And then basically leave it on there and then let go. And then you get another curl. And then basically you just start curling from around your head. Just keep curling. Oh, I hate curling my hair like this. I'd rather someone do it because your arms do ache. My arms ache. My arm's aching right now. With these sections, I tend to hold them closer to my root just because I want the maximum curl. When I do go up a section, I don't hold it that close to my root. As you can see, the little curls are forming. I take sections big or thin, it doesn't bother me. As long as it curls my hair, that's all I care about. So the thicker the section you do take, the longer you need to hold it on there for. You can see I'm just hold it on there for quite a while and then put it off, and then it'll come into a curl, like so. There we go. So now I'm going to let down a section of my hair again. Until I've got this, until you've got like kind of like a bit like this much. A bit of that much. I always keep, if you got anything like that, switch to the front. Oh god, here we go. Ugh. Wow, pineapple on top. So don't go from the back, like go again from the back, and just keep curling your hair basically. Okay, if you touch your curls while they're still hot, they're just going to fall out. So don't touch your hair right now while the curls are still hot, okay? Now I'm going to take this section of my hair. Okay, I'm going to start, okay, what I'm going to do is going to take this section and start curling that section, and take this section and just put it into a little, tie at the side. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to start on this section. So what I'm going to do is just grab a section. Okay, just put it there and just curl. Now because I'm getting oh god, there we go. Ow. Yeah, let's just start this one again. Because I'm getting close to the top, I don't want to do it all the way thingy, but because I'm doing a top knot, I don't really mind. So let me just release it the way and let go. There we go. There's a bit like that. Just keep curling. You are going to notice that I'm tending to bring all the curls this side. Okay, so I'm not going to roll it down, I'm just going to leave it there, just that little tip, I'm not going to do it there. Okay, and then show that side again. So now, just keep curling. You see, I'm better at the top than I am at the bottom. Okay, this bit I'm just gonna curl in a bit more. And just curl it that side. There we go. So now what I'm gonna do is do the front section. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, split it in half. As you can see, it's not very good, he's splitting this in half. Take in sections from the back section. Section from the back and brush it back. I'm gonna release a bit. So if you're just leaving your hair down, release it to about there, but if you're doing a top knot, just go all the way in. So you see my hair's a little bit of a mess. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna run my fingers through them, okay? Just run your fingers through them, especially the down parts, run your fingers through them. So what you need to do is gather up the hair from your top knot, okay? Don't need to be any special, just grab your hair, like grab your hair from the top knot and make sure your top knot's on the top, okay? Put your top knot, okay? Put your top knot, put it to the far front if you can, not to the far front, and then turn it like that. So once you've got that, pull it apart so it creates a nice little top knot, okay? And then you have a top knot on your head. Now with the other curls, if you find them a bit not that much curly, just take the strands and just curl them. Oh. Just curl them, so don't turn it off. So what you do is just run your hands through your head just a bit, just release some of the curls. Don't brush it, otherwise you'll get something that looks like out there. Just brush your hair down to thingy some of the curls, so just do that. So this is how I create my top knot. All the way around is all my top knot. So that is how I create my top knot for this look that I like to do. So guys, hope you do like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.